Hey there, little coder, welcome to the world of Python, where we teach computers how to do awesome things. So, what is Python? Don't worry, Python is not a snake. It's a super cool language that we use to talk to computers. Just like we speak English, Python is how we give instructions to machines. And guess what? They listen. Python is fun because it's simple, powerful, and creative. With just a few words, you can make games, draw colorful shapes, talk to robots, and build smart apps. Yup, it's like having superpowers. With Python, we can do so many things: make video games, build robots, draw cool pictures, create smart apps. It's like your own digital playground. Let's try a tiny bit of code magic. If we type this in Python, print, hello, world, the computer will say, hello, world. Isn't that cool? To start coding, we'll use a tool called Thonny. It's colorful, friendly, and made for beginners, just like you. Think of it as your special notebook for writing Python spells. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to set up Python and open your magical Thonny notebook. You'll write your very first program. You're already awesome for being curious and ready to learn, so hit that subscribe button and join me on more fun coding adventures. Bye for now, junior coders, and let's make computers your best friend.